name is Rhonda Thomas Mace. My role here at 3M is a converting operator. I get to supply all the machines with the products and let them know what they're running and facilitate their actions for the day.
My name is Donna. I work at 3M. I'm a machine operator. I run a lot of different machines throughout the plant. I chose 3M because it's a place where you can advance to just about any career you want to step into.
I'm Madison Reed. For my undergraduate, I did integrated science at McMaster University. I'm one of 2 product engineers here at the plant. We look at any product-related issues.
My name is Mary Ann Majuri. My role here is process engineering for the plant. I studied mechanical engineering at Queen's. When I started here at 3M, I knew nothing about robotics. I was able to partner up with someone who had a lot of knowledge on it, and so working on a project, I was able to learn how to program robots.
There was a long time I was the only girl on my team in the whole plant. I think it's incredibly important for women to pursue careers in STEM. We have so many things that we can offer the world.
It's the combination of ideas that can make the best solution.
Bringing diversity in helps because everyone brings a little perspective to the job being done.
Now you see women coming into the workplace and seeing them in leadership roles is really exciting.